Good day. My topic is about application of thermodynamics. I will explain you first what is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a branch of physical science that treats various phenomena of energy and the related properties of matters, especially of the laws of transformation of heat into other form of energy and vice versa. First is heat engine. One of the most important thing we can do with it is to use it for us to do work. It makes use the properties of thermodynamics to transform heat into work. The gasoline, diesel engine, jet engine, and steam turbines that generates electricity are all examples of heat engine. It illustrates one of the ways in which heat transfer energy to do work. Fuel combustions releases chemical energy that heat transfer throughout a gas in a cylinder. So the temperature of the gas increases, in which turns the pressure of the gas increases too, and the force exerts on a movable piston. The gas does work in the outside as this force moves the piston in the some distance from here to this, and the gas will go out. So heat transfer energy to the gas in the cylinder results in the work being done. Heat pumps. Examples are air conditioner and refrigerator that utilize heat transfer energy from low to high temperature, and it is opposite to what heat engine do. The purpose of heat pumps is to transfer energy by heat to warm environment, such as a home in the winter. The great advantage of using heat pump to keep your home warm rather than just burning fuel in the furnace is that heat pump supplies. In many cases, at least twice as much as of energy is transferred to the heated space as is used to run the pump. When you burn fuel to keep warm, you pay for all of it. The disadvantage to the heat pump is that the work is sometimes more expensive than simply burning fuel, especially if the work is provided by electrical energy. Simple heat pumps has four basic components. One is an elevator, two is a compressor, three is a condenser, and four is an expansion valve. In the heating mode, heat transfer to the working fluid in the evaporator, and from the colder, outdoor air turning into a gas. This is the four basic components of the heat pumps, from the elevator to compressor, then condenser, and back to the expansion valve. The electrically driven compressor increases the temperature and pressure of the gas and forces into the condenser coils inside the heated space. Because the temperature of the gas is higher than the temperature in the room, heat transfer energy from the gas to the room as the gas condenses into the liquid. The working fluid is then cooled as it flows back through an expansion valve to the outdoor evaporator coils. The quality of heat pump is judged by how much energy is transferred by heat into a warm space compared with how much input work is required. Thank you.